I am still on my Roadie block where I had 15 packages to drop off. I'm more than halfway through, and and it's been an hour in. This was a 5-hour block supposedly. I'm an hour in, and I still have about 5 packages left.
In half a mile, turn left onto Utica Road.
So again, just like with the block with Amazon, they paid me for 4.5 hours earlier for $112.50. I finished it in 3 hours, so I ended with about $37.50 an hour, somewhere up in there. Then now this one is $99.38, and it was set for 5 hours. Looks like I'll be done with it in about 2 hours tops. Then we'll add up what the hourly is and what I averaged all day. And that's if I'm done for the day. And I still got another block with Amazon for $86 if I decide to do it. Right? $86 if I decide to do it. And I'm already at 200 and I'll be at 200 and some change. 200.
Continue on Utica Road for 3/4 of a mile.
200 and about 50 or 60 bucks, somewhere up in there. If I add on that 86, that'll take me well into the 300 range for the day. And this is a Sunday fun day. Yesterday was kind of a sadder time and day for me and my family. My lady's aunt passed away, and we had the funeral and the wake. And first my day had started off kind of awful, and I know that's kind of selfish for me to be thinking about how my day started off when others are stuck in a casket and going back to where they to the original essence. But in any case, it was a sadder time. We went to the repast, sat with family, saw a bunch of her family I hadn't seen in a while. My focus was throughout the repast. Of course, I ate and also recognizing people.
Continue on Hayes Road for 3/4 of a mile.
My appetite to want to acquire more Bitcoin is increasing, especially with learning of an aunt that passed away at such a young age, and I'm not really doing this for me at this point anymore. Doing it for my children because, they're focused on other things at this point. I'm just going to acquire more and more Bitcoin. This is a written diary. This is a video diary of my daily activities. Doing gig hustles. The gig hustles is because it's a constant all-day cash flow where I get paid all day. And again, I'm not getting paid to put profit in my pocket as far as, going buying the latest design and having all of the latest gear. Of course, that time will come. Right now, I'm just seeing how much can I accumulate. I'm on a 10-year plan. And I basically invited others to join me on this plan. Where I'm starting over, most of them were believing that it was too late to buy Bitcoin. I've been buying Bitcoin. I'm up with it, So I started a whole new wallet. It's called the Vault Hustle Wallet. And this wallet It's the reserve for the Vault Hustle
Take a
Holdings.
second left onto Baroque Boulevard, then turn right
And
onto Sunny Drive.
and again, I started at the same place that everybody else could have started at ground zero, right? And I use my gig hustles and some of everything else, my online stores, my websites, everything. Every time I make some money, I take 10% immediately. I'm talking about my immediate actions. I take 10% immediately and buy Bitcoin.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Neiman Drive.
For this wallet. Now, if anybody want to join me, I'm not that far ahead with this wallet. Just a few thousand up. But you guys can do the same thing. Doesn't matter the price of Bitcoin. We're looking at it going up anywhere from 30
then turn left onto Chapper
to
Street.
70% a year for the next 21 years or so. Right? I'm going to grow my business, whether my business grows or not. All I got to do is hold Bitcoin. It's gonna grow my business forward.
Stockton Drive.
And I'm definitely going to do what's necessary to grow the business. More income, the more I can accumulate Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is leverage. Bitcoin is real, true money. It allow me and my family to
turn left onto Stockton Drive. Then your destination will be on the left.
To get back that was taken from me with all of this recessive, high-priced.
Your destination is on the left.
Gouging that all of the stores get to do as businesses. All right, guys, I'm here to drop off another package, and I'll get with you in just a moment.